cleared. There was some thicker cloud there in the north of Scotland, but there was a little pocket of low cloud and mist that hung on there, and at Bingley the temperature only got to 10 degrees in contrast to 21 degrees where it was sunny longest. That in Fahrenheit terms is a difference of 20 degrees. All due to the high pressure, and the high pressure is going to give us a motorist nightmare, I think, by the end of the night, with a good deal of fog around. Already some patches are forming in parts of the Midlands and northeast England. It's windier in the north of Scotland with a few spots of rain. It's going to stay quite breezy there, and there'll be something of a breeze across southern England through South Wales over into southern Ireland. So those areas too escaping the worst of the fog, not escaping entirely, but certainly the worst of it. But elsewhere there's going to be a lot of mist and fog around by the end of the night, and quite a bit of dense fog too, especially in those central regions, some dense patches in the Forth and Clyde valleys. And a chilly night in those central and northern parts as well, holding up those temperatures in the south and in the west. High pressure there throughout tomorrow, so many areas starting off a dull, grey, misty, that fog around, some very poor visibilities first thing in the morning. Slowly but surely, much of that mist and fog will lift, thin and eventually clear, so we'll get the sun coming through. Still some cloud in the north of Scotland with some drizzle, and there's just a chance again, more particularly perhaps in the Midlands, of some of that mist and fog lingering until very late in the day, maybe all day. And there's a hint here from the computer that with the late clearance of that mist and fog, temperatures will be held down somewhat in some of those northern and eastern areas. But in the west, where you get the best of the sunshine, it's going to end up another very warm day, up to 18 degrees in one or two really favoured spots. For the following few days, it's the same story in a way. We continue to have some wind and spots of rain in the far north of Scotland. Most other parts of the country on Friday start off with that mist and fog that slowly clears to give some hazy sunshine. There is a chance of one or two lightish showers showing up in southern parts later on in the day, and rather more of those light showers over the weekend. But again, it's a foggy story for most people.